My name is Hamid Zaman. I am the managing director of this company, which is Sarena Textile Industries Private Limited. When we started setting up the plant, which was in 1999, and then it came into production in 2001, we started with just a dyeing process. One of the things that we are very particular about is keeping up with technology. We are one of the few companies in textiles in Pakistan which has a whole research and development department headed by a general manager. One of the reasons that we went for digital printing was because that was the new process. It was the need of the times. The kind of quality, the kind of perfection that digital printing gives to our designs is not possible in traditional types of printing that we will do. For design perfection and for versatility, I can make a 100-color design with digital. I can't do that with a rotary or flatbed. We can produce anywhere from 1,000 meters a day to 5,000 meters a day on the Epson printer, depending on the kind of quality that we want and the requirement of the customer. As a company, we are extremely concerned about the environment, and throughout 18 years of our existence, we have been very particular that we do not pollute the environment. We put up a water reprocessing plant to clean the water that we put into the drains. It's all in keeping with the kind of philosophy that we have. Right from day one, it's always been excellence, which is the first priority. It was again our quest for improvement that we got the Epson printer. One thing that we've had with the Epson printer is we have had excellent service. Now, that is something which is always important in a long-term relationship. And for that, we are very happy, and you always want to work with a company which gives you the best service. And with our vision of excellence, we want to always go for something that's making top quality.